Today we'll be discussing the Facebook page, Instagram professional account, and the last one, yeah, how to run ads from a Facebook page. So for the Facebook page, we'll be creating a live account right now, and what we need for a Facebook page is we need a business name, the description of the business, the category, maybe it's advertising or marketing or business consultants, and we need a profile picture, and the dimension for the profile picture as recommended by Facebook is actually 170 by 170, but then there's an issue that there's this chart that 170 by 170 used to have issues, so people recommend 170 to 180, and the cover image is 315 by 850. So let me show you what I mean by all this. So let me just open my own page. Okay, wait, let me close some of my applications. See, my system is kind of okay. What can I close? Can I close? Okay, let me close this as well. Okay, let me close WhatsApp too. Okay, so let me just go to my page to show you what we mean. So this is my Facebook business page, and this name right here is what I mean by business name, and this advertising agency is the business category, and this image right here, this logo right here is the profile picture, and this right here, this banner and this big image is my cover image. So what we'll be doing today is creating something exactly like this, and we do that by going to this link. This link actually show you, it's actually a guide from Facebook on how to create your page. I hope you can hear me very well. If you can't, you can just let me know. You can still signify and let me know if you can hear me very well. So okay, okay. Yeah, Facebook also mentioned the things you need to get the business page ready. We have the business name and description, a profile photo and cover photo, and the third one is the third one. So you can actually go ahead and click on create a page here, but how we go on to do that from a Facebook account. So when you log into your Facebook account, there's this shortcut here, you can go to that or go to this menu button here, and you click on that. You open page. So right here, these are the page I manage. Not that I'm managing the page, I manage ads for the page, but I still have access to their page. So you just go here and click on create. So we will choose a business name, a page name. Yeah, if you have a client and they already have a website. Now let me say maybe their website is Uber Boats. The page name must match or be similar to that website name. So let me try Uber Boats if it's available. I think it is. Yeah, Uber Boats is available. So we'll just take that. I mean, this is just an example, or don't let me use that name because someone else might want to use that name and we don't really have anything to use for it. So let me just use ads training. Yeah, it is available. So for that, I will search for the category. Let me search advertising So we have the advertising and marketing. I can choose that. There's a chance to add up to three. So I'll choose advertising agency too. And I think there's other one business. Okay, yeah, business consultant. So actually three, but only one will be shown under this name. For a description, it's just the description or like about us. If the person you are creating the page for has a website, you can go to their about us. Let me check this. You can just go to their about us and copy the content they have on their about us. I don't think this as anything like about us. Okay, about us. Yeah, you can just copy the sentence they have there, or you can write the description from the sentence they have on their page on their website. So you can just use that. So we will just use this as an example. And there's a limit to the description. I think 250 characters or so. So it can't be too much. So it will be displayed right here. Do I still have mine? Okay, let me check my own page. Just want to check what I have on mine. Okay, I think where is it? Where is it? Okay, this is what I have under there. Yeah, I just mention my name, what I do, and the things the benefits of my services. So that's all what I just put under there. So we can just leave this like this, or let me just copy. Okay, let's just copy this. So the point is that you have to describe the business. You have to describe the business. You just have to describe the business. So after that, we click on create page. So we successfully created the page, and the next thing we need to add is a profile picture and cover image. So I'll be going on to design that afresh. And by the way, this is just a Canva. This is just a Canva platform. It's used for anything you want to design. It's actually free. It's actually free, but there are pro features to it. So there are some designs you can't do with the free. This one is a pro account anyway. So, but I'll be using the free package we have. So let me just go to let me see if I can find a logo. Okay, yeah, a logo. So let's create a logo. Actually, I said the the dimension for the Facebook profile picture is 170 by 180, but I actually choose 500 to 500 with that logo I click on. But the reason why I did that is because the Facebook will still, you can still crop it on Facebook, you can still crop because you will have a rectangular logo, and Facebook will truncate it to a circular image for you, but it can still be used. Or so let me just find something that actually match or us. So I just want to search for a template, I can just use something that match what we want to do. Nope, nope, nope. Okay, let me try marketing. Yeah, this pro, but I don't want to use anything pro. Also pro. Okay, I think this is free, but let me try to check on now. Still pro. Okay, you get the point. So let's just use that free one that we saw above. Okay, let's use this one. So let's just change it to add training, and this one you can just change it to advertising agency. So we have our logo, so you can actually just download that. Yeah, for profile picture, it's suggested that it should be in PNG. It should be in PNG. For the cover image, I think JPEG is recommended or something. So we download that and we go back to our page and we just add that. So we add that to our page. Let's say if that fits, yeah, it fits perfectly. It fits perfectly. So for the cover image too, let's try to quickly design that. I won't spend much time on that, but so I'll try to use another mix for this. Yeah, I said the recommended cover image is 315 by 850. So let's create the custom size 315 by 850. So we create a new design. Mm, mm, mm. Okay, that's more wrong. What I input is wrong. That should be 850 by 315. So let's actually go back. 850, 850 by 315. So create new design. Yeah. This should work. So Canva will just show some templates for you to use. You can just search through it for anyone that fits your your purpose. So let's try to search for anything under marketing. Okay, there's nothing free here, nothing free at all. Okay, there we have this. This is free. So let's just try to use this. This is just an example. Use just an example, by the way. So when you want to do something like this, you can go into details and design what you want to design. I'm trying to, okay, let me just use this. So it's just a quick overview of how to use Canva. So we click on download. Let's see if that match. Okay, still match. So let's try to drag it. Okay, I think because of the height, we can't drag it up. So I think this is okay anyway. Yeah, okay, yeah, yes, this is okay. So that's that. We save. Okay, so we have our Facebook page. We have our Facebook page right here, and this guide is just set up your page up for success. You have to follow that. You have to follow that, but because of our time, we won't do that now. Just if you have a website, you can add a website, or just save and finish later, or this doesn't apply to my page. So you don't have a website, so let's use that. Add a location. We have a location. You include your address, blah blah. So you include your address, or you can choose my page doesn't have a location. This depend on on the requirements of your client, the business that you are setting up the app for. If they have a location, you would have asked the buyer or the client ahead all these requirements. You have asked them, so the working hours, phone number, and the button. That's the call to action you want on your page. You can send people to a messenger or WhatsApp or a website. So these are the call to action you can put on your page. So let's choose one. Okay, this is a website. We don't have a website. Sending me, or so let's just choose send WhatsApp. So, and my number has already been pre-filled. So I just click on continue. So I get the code and I will input that. Okay, it's already connected to another page, so can't use that again. So you get the points. So if you can't do it right here, you can just go to this add button and choose another one. Either send a message, you will send a message to inside a messenger app. So you can edit the question you want the person that wants to message you ask. So this is the question that that person will ask: is anyone available to chat? And this will be the automated response that the person will receive, even though you are not on the app, you are not on the messenger. So you just, I thanks for contacting. I will receive your message and appreciate you reaching out. You can edit that, like we will be with you shortly, or you can just edit that. If assuming you are selling a product and you want the person to, you assume the person will ask for the price, you can just type that question, how much, or if it's a service, how much is your service or services. So you can just reply them that thanks for contacting, I always receive and I appreciate you reaching out. We will be with you. We will be sorry with you shortly. So we can just say that. I think I made a mistake there, but let me check. Okay, let me just cancel that. This is not the way a viewer will see it. This is just for you to see. It will show edit send message. It will show send message to the person fill the page. So let me just skip all this. Let me say it doesn't apply, phone number doesn't apply. So it's just for the sake of the training. That's why I click on that. And it also asks you to connect your WhatsApp, invite friends, create welcome posts. But for now, our page is live. It is live. So let me show you some settings. Or let me go to edit page info. If you want to edit the names later, or the descriptions, or the categories, or the phone number, email, website, location, everything. If you want to edit everything later, you go to the edit page info right here. And if you want to connect your Instagram account or any other social media you want to connect, you do that right here. And for username, it's very important. We need to add that also. So this will be this portion of the username. It will, it's not available, was available. Just an example, The username can't be like this for your clients. It has to be professional. So this will be the name after, let me check. Yeah, something like this right here. So this won't be here. We just delete that. What we have here is add training. So if you set someone this address like this, it will take them directly to your page. That's what the username is for. And under the settings, yeah, the page visibility is showed page published, that is your page is live. If you want to publish it that no one will see the page, you can just edit it right here. Yeah, page on, when you unpublish the, it's more like a website. When you unpublish a website, people can access the website, but when you publish it, people can view the website online. So you can just go through all the message right here, all the settings right here. If you want to restrict the access, the age restriction on your page, you don't want people below 18 see your page, you can do it right here. Content moderator, if you don't want people to just go to your post, any post you made online, and if you don't want people to make a bad comment on the post, or people that usually spam or scam people, you would have thought of their keywords since they will say. So you can, when you add those keywords here, maybe someone you want to block a comment that has scam in the text that is a comment on the your post, you just add scam here. If you want to block another thing, maybe fake, or let me just type in random keywords. So whenever someone make a comment on your post and they include any of these keywords, that comment will be hidden. That comment will be hidden. It won't be shown at all. So that's the function of that. So let me just delete that, cancel, and okay, that's that under the page settings. That's what you need for now. You can go through this later. And for page rules, you want to add someone to the page, you want someone to manage the page, you have to add that person as a friend first. So you ask that person to send you a friend request, or you send that person a friend request, and you become friends on Facebook. Then right here, you will type in their name. You type in their name. Let me type in, who can I type? Okay, let me type in this person. I don't, okay, let me just select the person, and you can change their, and I mean we have the same access you have, and in the top, the access is below that of the admin, and so on like that. And you click on add. So that's how you add someone to your page to manage it for you. And if you want to connect Instagram, you can connect Instagram from this tab. It says connect, it just asks you to log into Instagram. If you want to connect WhatsApp too, you type in the number, you connect. So that's about page. So let me just go to how to set up ads directly from page. And if time still permits us, I will show how to switch personal Instagram account to business accounts. Yeah, okay. So let's continue. Yeah, there's this ad center right here, or this button right here, create new ad or automated ads. Oh, sorry, I was a bit distracted there. And assuming we have a post on this page, assuming we have created a post, right here we should have something like boost post, boost post. But okay, let me show you on my own page. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Yes, right here. It's at the top. It says create new ad, boost post, automated ads. So, or you can just go right here to Ad Center and click on create ad. Yeah, for the automated ads, it just asks you some basic question about your business, and Facebook automatically recommend the objective. They just help you to set up the ads. It's kind of automated ads. You just input some answers to the question this asks, and it will generate an ad for you. I always recommend this anyway. And I think someone is talking. Okay, it's muted again. So the one we'll be going with is create new ad. So this one, I'll just deselect it. I don't want Facebook to choose an objective for me. I know what I want. So these are the objectives under the page ads. If you want to run ads directly on page, these are the objectives. But if you go further to the business ad manager, the objectives are more than this, So that's why ads are run in the business manager and not on page. So if you want to get list list and information of your audience. If you want to get message on WhatsApp or Messenger or page likes or website visitors, since we don't have a website, we won't be using this. So let's just go away with message on Messenger and save that. So the ad creative, this we need an ad text. We need an ad text for this. We still cover how to write an ad copy. It's called an ad copy. We still go further into that later in the class. But for this case, I'll just leave this basic description we have on our page that Facebook has included for us. And they select an image for us, but we can still select the image we want. We can select anyone we like. These are image I have on my ad account before. Or if Instagram is connected, it will show image you've uploaded on Instagram before. If on your page, it will show all the images you've uploaded on your page. And stock images are just another image from free image from a website or pay on. You can actually pay for it, but image that's online that you can use freely. And you don't have to worry about copyright for stock images. So I just cancel and leave it as this. If you want to change it to video or upload a new, or you want to crop it. And for the headline is just like extra message that you want to use to ginger the audience to take the action you want. And they send the button since we want to send people to Messenger, so that's why the button is send message. If you are setting this up on Business Manager, we can actually change this button to something like learn more, sign up, other call to action, and that's where we actually go deep. So, but for this, I won't go deep into all this. The special category, I will skip that. We'll still go into that later. And the audience, this is where you choose your audience. This is where you choose your audience, people you choose to targeting. You can just click on this button right here and you select the age group if you want to target men or women only, or the age group either 18 to 40, and the location, United States or Nigeria, and detailed targeting. This includes the interest you think your audience might be interested in. Yeah, you can maybe, let me say, newspaper, if such exists. Yeah, newspaper is an interest, or a brand. We'll name it. What brand can you recognize? I think Vogue is a, yes, this is a magazine. Vogue is a magazine. You just think of, you brainstorm for the audience, for the interest your audience might be interested in. Since they will be interested in, I just input that interest here. If it's Facebook has keywords on that interest, they will show it to you. Or if they don't, you won't be able to use those keywords. We'll still go into this. There's a research to this, and I'll still show you how to do the audience research to find this audience. But right here, we will just ignore that here. So that's just basically the audience you select. Let me just pick one and just move ahead. Okay, so let me just save that. So we have our audience, and this one, these are just audience I've saved before, not on this page, from another page, but someone is shown here, and how long you want the ads to run. So usually I just choose to run continuously. You can check it daily and decide whenever you want to post the ads, and you choose your daily budget. You want Facebook to spend 1,000 naira per day on your ads, and it shows the potential reach. People the ads will likely reach, that will likely see your ads. That's reach. People that will likely see your ads, 162 to 499. That's actually very low. And right here, don't concern this about Facebook pixel. So I just select that. And placement, where do you want the ads to appear? Facebook, that's default. Do you want it to appear on Instagram? Do you want it to appear on Messenger? I've already choose no pixel. And right here, it says payment option. It says payment method. Because I have a personal ad account, that's why it will always show my payment method on all pages I'm managing. But if you just create your Facebook page, your Facebook account, you haven't connected any payment method to it, it will show you to add a payment method right here. And you can just click on that button. It's a simple process. It will pop up the things you need to include and your card details, and that's how you add the payment method. So we'll still go into that when we set up the business manager, but right here, that's what Facebook ad is all about from a business, from a Facebook page. So after that, after you complete all the setup, you just click on promote, but we won't be doing that. This is just a quick explanation of the ways you can create ads. So I won't be going to the automated ads. I won't be going to that. So we set up our Facebook page, and we've tried to set up ads. So the next thing I would like us to mention today, to go into today, is actually the Instagram account. So after the Instagram account, we call it a day, and tomorrow we start from setting up a business manager and every other asset, add accounts, connecting the Facebook page, connecting your Instagram accounts, WhatsApp, everything. I'll show you tomorrow. But right now, we have to go to Instagram and switching a personal account to professional business account on Instagram. It can't be done on a computer. It can't be done on a computer. It's only for mobile. It can only be done on mobile. So I will join the meeting. I will send the link to the group for you guys to join the meeting again when I connect to my phone. And I will try to show the how to create this on mobile also. It's simple. It's the same thing with this process also. It's just that the interface is different. One is on desktop, one is on mobile. So let's meet on